What's up? It's your boy, Damien Dupee, #1 off-market land specialist. Today I'm going to be talking about how to find delinquent tax lots. You hear me? Actually, if you want to get the full video, the link is in the description on my YouTube channel. Also, I have a free course too, line upon line, precept upon precept, teach you how to do these deals, off-market land deals. You understand? Holla at your boy, gone like the wind.
No matter where you are in the world, there got to be some type of data that can provide you with a list, maybe a map. Maybe you have to call. And the reason why we're focusing on lots with delinquent taxes is because majority of these people are motivated. What this does is show you the two attorneys that's foreclosing on majority of the lots, and before they foreclose, before they finish at the auction, if you can get the seller under contract and get it closed before they bang the gavel, boom, you got a deal.